So the reason why I use Neovim now is because I was working, I don't know, big corporation, whatever. They gave us a 16 gigabyte RAM laptop. And I had what, Teams going in a meeting. I was sharing my screen, whatever. I had, browser with Chrome and then VS Code. During the meeting, the computer would shut down. I'm like, what the fuck? Why is it shutting down? Important meeting with the client, whatever. I opened, what is the name? I forgot the fucking name. What's the name? Monitor. What's the name? Terminal monitor. Fuck, what's the name? I forgot the name. Windows. Oh shit, I forgot the name. No. Windows Terminal Open Trick. What the fuck is the name of that thing? Windows CPU monitor. Yeah, we're not gonna find it. Anyways, forgot. I'm old. I'm tired. Whatever. Anyways, the health monitor thingy program, I would open it. I noticed that there was a huge spike on the RAM. From the 16, it was using 16, so there was no room for the OS. That's why it shut down. I talked with my manager, got a 32 gigabyte laptop, and then I saw it was using, in total, with all these apps open, it was using 24 gigabytes of RAM. So I was not supposed to win on that one. So I was like, all right, since, VS Code is the easiest thing I can get rid of, let me migrate to Neovim. So I went there, started watching YouTube, the Primogen, shout out to the Primogen, how to use Vim, whatever, key bindings, move up and down, whatever. And here's the trick that nobody talks about, which helped me a lot. I did the Vim tutor. After the Vim tutor, I used the key bindings I learned to set up Neovim configuration. It was hard. But it forced me, because every time I was doing that, I'm like, what the fuck? Why am I doing this? I wanted to give up. I was like, fuck, if I want to edit this file, I have to open VS Code. I was like, nah, I'm not going back. So what I did, I went and looked for, some, there, I believe this one. Yeah, NVChat. I went to one of Neovim distributions. I used NVChat. Back then, it was version 0.2 or whatever. Now I believe they're on 03, 02, 05. So I just took their template, used it up, boom, 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 it worked. And started using that for a while. I believe until since 2022, 2023 to what? Last year, right? 2025, beginning of last year, I was like, all right, enough, time to create my own distribution or my own definition. So I created, and now I have everything from scratch. So that's my Neovim story. I hope it motivates you. And yeah, that's why I left VS Code and Microsoft, and now I don't use none of their products at all. We on Linux, we on Neovim, everything open source here, and that's how it works. Some more details that could help. I use a little bit of everything. I use Kickstart and Vim. If you search, they have a good setup here. Just look it up. Init Lua, they have a bunch of comments on what to do, what not to do, what to use. There were a couple videos that helped me. Let's see if we can bring it up. If not, I'm gonna add to the description. That'll be the easiest. Because if you search Neovim configuration, there's a bunch of people talking about it. But I'm not gonna lie, most of these people, they don't know what they're talking about. They copy paste it from the friend or whatever. It's like, you're not really explaining this, you're not really explaining that. I'm thinking about setting my Neovim configuration from scratch. Maybe showcase a little bit more. Not say I'm an expert, but at least break down those points that people are kind of missing out. But let's get the name of the people. Shout out to them. So Neovim, what is it? Oh yeah, configs. There you go. It will be in the description, but yeah. One guy that helped me a lot was Joe Sean. He's a Puerto Rican. If I type Neovim. There you go. Yeah, this guy helped me a lot. He broke down everything, what to do, what to use, what not to do, what to avoid. So he had great tutorials here. Just check out his channel. The other one is where's the other one? Let's try this one. Hendrik me and Vim. Oh, this guy as well. Yeah, this guy. He also had a good tutorial. Good tutorial. So if you use these two, that's more than enough. There's of course more. There's like TJ, Dev, and Vim, right? So many tutorials he created. He freaking read the documentation for 9 hours, right? Of course, there's the Primogen. Shout out to the Primogen. Right? Actually, I believe it's the Vimagen. The Vimagen, where he talks about the Vim, whatever. So there are a bunch of resources out there. Use what works for you. Whatever you do, just stop using Microsoft products. That's my recommendation. Get to this other level. Otherwise, you're gonna get stuck there. They suddenly gonna change the policy and then, oh, there's nothing you can do about it. Yeah, it is what it is.